Okay, so today we're going to look at the YAASA blanket. Now there's two sides. Here's one side, blue and white, so it has white lines, and the other side is white and blue lines. So you tell the threading is pretty good. Let's thread right here too. And so it's soft and it's smooth to the skin. Really doesn't have a scent. And you can tell by looking at the blue part that, here, let's see, you can see it. So it obviously breathes a little, so you can see a little bit through. This is probably great for people that play sports or people in the military, because especially like Army, Marines, you do, you know, long road marches and stuff like that, so you want to make sure to get your circulation right and also keep warm. So, but this is the YAASA blanket, and it's extremely comfortable, soft, and doesn't really have a scent. So, okay, so I just want to show how long the blanket is. So I'm 5'11", and as you can tell, it reaches pretty high. And I weigh 180, so you can see how well it covers. I can actually wrap it around me twice, almost.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.